In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms. By the end, you'll be comfortable creating a form, previewing it, sharing it, and checking responses, all in a few simple steps. Start by opening Google Forms in your web browser. On the main screen, you'll see options to begin from scratch, or start with a ready-made layout. Click blank to build a form from the ground up, or choose a template if you want a quick head start with pre-filled questions and formatting. At the top of your new form, click the form title area and type a clear, specific title so people know exactly what your form is about. Just below that, click the form description and add short instructions. This is a great place to explain the purpose, set expectations for how long it takes, or clarify any special requirements. Now let's add your first question. On the right-hand toolbar, click the plus icon to Add Question. Type your question, then choose a question type from the dropdown. You can use short answer for brief text, paragraph for longer responses, multiple choice when one answer is expected, or checkboxes when respondents can select more than one. You'll also find options like drop-down and linear scale if they fit your needs. If a question is essential, toggle required so respondents can't skip it. This helps keep your data complete and consistent. Repeat the Add Question button for each new question you want. Keep your wording clear and concise, and consider grouping similar topics together to make the form easy to follow. You can also enhance your form with optional elements from the right toolbar. Add images to illustrate a question or provide context. Insert videos if a demonstration or clip needs to be reviewed before answering, and use sections to break the form into logical parts. Sections are especially helpful for longer forms to keep everything organized. When you're ready to review how it looks, click the preview icon, the little I, in the upper right. This opens a live preview so you can see exactly what respondents will experience. Scroll through, try selecting answers, and confirm that required questions behave as expected. To share your form, click the purple Publish button in the upper right. From there, you can copy a link to share directly, send it by email, or embed the form on a website. Choose the method that best fits your audience. Finally, to view responses, click the Responses tab at the top. You'll see a summary with charts and lists, and you can link your form to Google Sheets for a live spreadsheet of all incoming data. That's it. Your Google form is ready to go.